สวัสดีค่ะ Good afternoon now it at Sangjan Waterfall ค่ะ in the Patam National Park so ค่ะก็จะมีน้ำตกนะคะ many fall waterfall in the national park about three waterfall is around is nearby so Sangjan Waterfall แล้วก็อะไร น้ำตกสร้อยสวรรค์ waterfall แล้วก็ next นะคะ we will visit the บ้านนาเมือง waterfall so this one the water is come in the hole so we need to see at downstairs in rainy season the water is really strong danger so be careful that because rainy season has like a please need to be careful. So it's downstairs like that. You need to take the stair over there. So the stair to the waterfall. Downstairs, waterfall. It is good stair. It's not really difficult. So the kid or the children can come. Old people can come here. It's really nice. So